So I'm on the apps like very like sporadically. So like I'll download the app for like a week and then I'll use it and then something will happen that will fucking traumatize me and then I will leave. So what's going wrong? Men are creepy as shit, dude. Like,
Imagine you get ghosted, but imagine your parents also get
shit.
ghosted. That's
that
what.
is what. Tell me about you guys. Like, would you go for a guy who have feelings versus a guy who checks all the boxes?
Feelings. For sure.
I'm definitely doing all the boxes. I would fall in love with a private equity guy, guys. Like, if
If there's a private equity guy who wants to date Narika, comment.
Na 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 na. Garbage head, bringing hot garbage to you every week, month.
We're going to try as hard as we
We'll
can.
try.
Welcome back to Garbage Head. So this episode is, I very in a state of caffeine yesterday, named it Delusions, Dating and Drama. And I felt very proud of myself. But let's see how it goes. Essentially, this episode is going to be a little bit about modern dating and where the fuck we're going wrong. Okay, so before we begin, there's like one eligibility test that is the only requirement to contribute to this episode. Have you guys used a dating app in the last 1 year?
yes,
Yes.
I have.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, let's fucking go. Okay, alright. Great, okay. Let's start. Where are we going wrong? Where are we going wrong? I can't contribute to this because I'm not on the apps, but
Okay.
yeah.
So I'm on the apps like very like sporadically. So like I'll download the app for like a week and then I'll use it and then something will happen that will fucking traumatize me and then I will leave. So what's going wrong? Men are creepy as shit, dude. Like okay, so I feel like I had used it once when in my early 20s and that prop was better. And I think
Right?
yeah.
I've heard too many people say this.
I agree.
Yeah. I
What
think
is wrong right now?
the good ones.
I don't know, I guess-
No, I feel like because we were young, we had no like.
No, dude.
I understand.
Honestly, while there are multiple apps, they should just like put everything together and say what's left. That's the
A
app.
super
So
app.
what's left?
There is one.
A super
Okay,
app.
there is one for like.
Put the shadi.coms also in there.
Can't believe we're
Start
on
with sisters. There will be. Oh, by the way, I have seen a friend's Shadi.com app. I saw it last month.
Mhm.
So she got tired of Hinge and she was like, fuck it, let's give Shadi.com a
The
try.
real deal.
If you think there is something over there, do not waste your
At
day.
least your intentions align, right? Shadi. When you're out dating, you don't know
You
what's
would
gonna
think
end
so.
up.
Apparently, like I had this one roommate some years ago, and this guy from Jeevan Sati would like he matched with her family, and then they got talking. Okay, and they would speak like all the time.
Oh wow.
Okay.
Oh.
And then he was like, I'll come down to Bangalore and meet you.
From where?
From wherever he was, I don't know. I don't remember.
Okay.
And she was like, yeah, okay, sure. And then they went on like a date. And he was trying to just do the same thing guys do on dating apps.
What the fuck? I was
And
so
when-
sanskari.
And when that didn't go down the line, and when that didn't work out, he kind of ghosted her family. Imagine you get ghosted, but imagine your parents also get ghosted. That's
Dude, that is what. Dude, that's like family
I thought at
ghosting.
least when your dad's in the situation,
Sanskari.
you would-
Sanskari
because-
ghosting, yeah.
Imagine your dad's in the situation, your brother's in the situation, and
It's very
you guys still
embarrassing.
have
It's
your
really
dad's.
embarrassing.
It's not embarrassing on our end. It
No,
should be.
yeah,
yeah.
exactly. There.
It's embarrassing
yeah.
for them. I mean,
It should be. Yeah.
that's why I think like modern dating is like nothing short of a gamble, right? Like you don't know if you're coming back home with like the love of your life or like a
Yeah.
serial killer or like someone
but-
who's gonna take your money away and run.
Wait, but has any
Yeah,
of you
yeah,
dated
sure.
anyone of the app? I dated one person of the app. Just
And?
one person. I mean, he's actually a nice guy.
Not bad.
He's not a bad person.
What app was this?
It was Tinder, guys, but I was 24 that time.
So it was a couple of years ago, right?
It was 4
Yeah.
years ago.
Yeah.
It was 4 years ago. No, it was 3.5 years
That's what I
ago.
was thinking.
Hmm.
Yeah, it was 3.5 years
Okay.
ago. I was
Yeah.
24 that time. And I mean, yeah, he was like non-creepy. Like, yeah, you
Good,
had
normal.
met him. Yeah, he was like a good, normal person.
Or like-
Yeah, he's the one.
Okay.
Yeah, it was like an okay, normal person. Like, of course, like it was a little toxic towards the end, but like it's okay. Like
Yeah.
you can show him
I
off
feel
his friends and
like
family.
the number of dates that it takes to decide a relationship are just increasing by the year. Like when we were in the early 20s, it was like first or second date, you kind of know
Where it's
going, and now you're like 5 dates down, and you're just
No,
like,
you're like 5 months down, and then you're like,
Oh my God,
you still
listen.
haven't had the what are we conversation.
right? There's this one couple. I don't even know if I can call them a couple, but I sometimes I meet them at parties
Mhm.
of like a larger group gathering, so they're not like my direct friends, but I meet them,
Okay.
you know, sporadically.
Yeah.
And this guy and girl, I've been seeing them together since Feb 2024. And it is what now? June 2025.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay?
A
So,
year and a half.
and I've met them, I've gone to 3 or 4 parties in that time frame and I've seen them. And this time around I met him and I was just like, oh, where's your girlfriend? And he's like, I don't have a girlfriend. I'm like, that girl? He's like, oh, we're just
Oh.
What?
Oh, cash. You know,
Interesting.
one and a half
I mean,
years.
interesting. Maybe that's
I mean, dude, but like
that's
that.
gets headache. I
They're
guess.
just so okay with everything at this point.
Yeah, I feel like everyone. I feel like everyone does that, dude. Like
Yeah.
I feel like
No, but 1.5 years.
But no, imagine,
of
bro.
constantly being around someone.
they're
But
probably
maybe-
not exclusive.
I can't.
You
I
can't
don't know,
tell.
man. I'm
So
just. I am.
So I came
not,
to know
yeah.
about this very recently that let's say you are not monogamous, right?
Mhm.
And you're like doing the whole like she's dating multiple people, like both people
Open.
are
Yeah.
it's an open thing,
Yeah.
and then
Yeah.
you have something called as a primary partner.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah,
Okay, so-
that's a thing.
yeah, and then
I've read about it. I don't.
yeah,
I know it.
and then there
Yeah.
are secondary partners
Yeah.
and tertiary partners. So like
But how much time do they have? What are they doing?
Your primary partner is the one you
Your
live
emotional
with,
support.
you share your bills with. You
No,
do
I'm
most
talking
of your-
about in a day. You have 8
Hello?
hours to work,
Dude,
3 hours for
I know.
self-care, shower, eat.
dude,
And
my
then-
question
You're
is
literally one of my closest friends, and I see you once a week, maybe. Like you're my
Yeah.
primary friend.
Yeah,
Like, how
I
do
know.
you do multiple
How do
partners?
you
My
manage
question
partners?
was that-
It's so tough. How do you not be possessive and fight for time where we find it tough to schedule?
No, but like
Yeah.
my
time?
question is that how are they getting multiple people when I'm not included at what? I'm just like
I think anything flies, that's why.
yeah, no,
No, I don't think
I don't
maybe
think
it's-
it's
I don't know.
anything. Everyone
I think because the niche is smaller.
Yeah.
The niche is smaller.
yeah. Also, if
It's
the
easy to
world is
eliminate,
your
right?
oyster.
Yeah. And it's easy to eliminate. Like
Yeah.
if you say you're monogamous
Yeah,
and
that's
someone
what
else
It isn't.
isn't.
They're
Yeah.
immediately out. I know this one couple that is literally like, I mean, I don't know them, but I've heard of them,
Yeah.
that they're engaged,
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
but they're open.
Yeah. That's a thing.
So they've
That's
got like a
interesting
yoga
dynamics,
in
very
front of their
interesting.
families, they've done like all of that.
I guess it makes sense because
Yeah.
for
You-
them it
you
makes
have
sense.
your family off your back. It's perfect.
Right?
It's like
but
they're
that's
happy,
what I
you're
mean,
happy.
like modern dating is such a gamble.
Yeah.
Like, because it's more.
Can any of
Open.
you be in a non-monogamous
No,
dating
no.
thing?
No, I am strictly 100%
I think-
monogamous. I cannot.
Yeah, I think
Yeah.
I'm not okay with that. It's
Yeah.
just
No, I can't. I really can't.
it's too much to know, understand. How would you
Yeah, no.
connect with them? You know,
Even
I don't have that much emotional
Imagine if you don't want to hear about it, it's like you're blocking out a whole part of who they are.
Yeah.
So I don't see a point in it.
Yeah, I know.
You
Yeah.
don't know the person fully.
Yeah.
That's kind of scary.
I couldn't be non-monogamous as well, but I think we've all been in situations where it's not exclusive with the person. You're kind of having a thing, but you don't know what
That's a
they're doing.
situationship.
Yeah.
That's a
You never-
But you know what a situationship is actually?
It's
Essentially,
painting,
it's that if you catch feelings, if you're oblivious to it,
Yeah.
you know, like some people, it's chill.
It's chill.
Apparently.
It's alright.
So yeah, it's a situationship is basically you're seeing each other, you're dating, you're having fun, you're hanging out,
Yeah.
but you just haven't decided what the future of this thing looks like. That's why it's called a situationship.
But it could be monogamous or not. It's usually non-monogamous.
If it's monogamous, then guess what? You're in a relationship.
Yeah, then you're like,
Yeah.
then you're
It's like-
dating.
Yeah, then
I
you're
see
dating, yeah.
that. Okay, there's this very viral reel of this creator from the US, and she's just like, this is how I got a boyfriend in 2024.
Oh my god.
And this was so funny.
Love the title.
She was literally just like, she was just like, I met him one day in a dating app, and I told him, the first thing I told him was, I don't want to be in a relationship. Let's keep it chill and casual. and open."
Oh god.
And he was like, okay, yeah, let's go ahead. And then like 2 months down the line, she was like, can you help me move apartments? Not just in a chill and casual way. And then he moved to apartments. And then 2 months later, she was like, oh, can you just like live with me because like we're paying for like travel and like traffic and this and that, just in the chill and non-monogamous
Oh my
way. He was
God.
like, okay, and then one thing led to another, and she's like, now I'm
marry me.
How can you
In a very chill and
non-monogamous
non-monogamous
and
way.
be non-monogamous?
No,
I think it's a sarcasm.
I think it's
it was
just
just sarcasm.
Sorry.
yeah.
Dude,
It's showing how this happened
Yeah.
suddenly.
I
like,
know
yeah.
someone who got engaged to someone in like the States, right? So they got engaged. The guy is Indian, the girl is American. They got engaged, they were living together, and then after the engagement they broke up. But they were still living together
because of the lease.
because of the lease. And then
That's
then
like
they got
a
back
movie
together.
plot.
Oh, they didn't. Oh,
the girl was bringing in other guys while this guy was at home. Yeah. That's
yeah.
traumatic.
I mean,
That's just traumatic.
at least you saved yourself the trouble for the rest of your life.
Yeah.
That's a good way to see
Yeah.
it.
Yeah.
Imagine, you know, being stuck forever.
Yeah.
Versus, because some people, they say that, okay, get married, remain married.
Yeah.
And
If you can't get married by your own will and choice, you won't get out of the marriage because of that. It's like that.
yeah.
But what are some of your most horrific date experiences? Not dating, just date experience.
I've not been on dates, honestly, not as much.
Something will be bad.
I mean, I can already tell you what you can, you know, to predetermine how it can be. Just reschedule the date, see how they react. Just reschedule the
No,
date.
but have
once.
you been on a fuck all date?
Who hasn't? Who hasn't? Tell me you weren't stuck listening to someone rant and went for 3 hours and you're like,
That
how do
sounds
I
like
get
a
out of
normal.
this?
Like a bad date sounds like someone's coming for your life. Which has
So,
happened to
haven't you
some of
been
mine.
haven't you been on dates where
I-
nobody's asking you a question? You're the person who's asking questions and they're just answering it.
Oh my god.
And the only question they may ask you is, and you. Like, be
That's
original,
bad.
think a little.
Yeah.
You know?
And also
Yeah.
when they just like
Participate.
boast and brag about themselves.
That's
Yeah, that's-
50% of the guys.
Like you sit opposite to a person and literally like 2 hours fly by and they don't ask you one personal question.
Yeah,
I
they're
don't think
not
2 hours
interested.
fly by. They go super slow.
They fly by for that person.
Yeah, yeah.
And all they do is boast and brag and then they
Yeah.
go home and they're like, oh, the date was so
That
nice."
was the
Yeah,
best.
when are we meeting again?
She
Oh,
listened
yeah.
to me.
They need a
The whole time.
therapist.
Yeah.
They need a
They need a
therapist.
therapist. That's what they're doing.
So I've been on one of the worst dates ever. So like last year somewhere I used the app for like my weekly thing. So like once in a
Your
quarter.
weekly swipe.
Yeah,
No.
once in a
Oh,
quarter
weekly
week.
swipe.
Yeah. So I started talking to this guy and whatever, and he was like, I'm gonna be a VP at like some MNC right now. He was working at a startup. He was like all cool and all of that. And then we started talking, and he was not a particularly interesting conversationalist, which is fine because I wouldn't judge a person with their texting personalities. But he was giving me like some sort of vibes that this is not good. Like for example, like on a Friday night, he just kept texting me like, where are you, where are you, where are you? And I'm like, okay, I'm gonna pass out now. He's like, I'm
Yeah.
gonna pass out with you. And I'm
Hey.
just like so weird. And then I asked one of my closest friends, okay, Divyansh, and I'm like, dude, look, this guy is saying this, and he's like, tu chutiya. You don't date, and you like it's fine. You should give people the benefit. Okay, so I am very averse to dating, right? I don't go on dates. So like this, my friends like, you need to like just give people a chance. Like you can't just say bye bye to everyone.
Yeah.
Just go on the date. Go on
Yeah.
the date, see how it is. Put me on speed dial.
Yeah.
I'm like, cool. Worst mistake of my life. So I go on this date and I'm like, let's do this near my house because I was getting some vibes from this guy because he was just like, can you come to my house? Can you come to my house? I'm like, no, I
No, I
don't
don't
want
want
to.
Just unmatch with those people.
Yeah.
They're not like
Yeah.
they're not trying to date you. You
Yeah.
know their main objective is just
Exactly. So I'm
Yeah.
like a novice, right? So I'm like, cool, whatever. I'm not gonna come to your house, but why don't we come to a cafe near my house?
Yeah.
And it was like a cafe near. So he comes there. He sits, we're both sitting and all that, and he's fucking boring, okay? There's like literally no expression on his face, and he's like looking at whatever. And I'm like, okay, whatever. And then 30 minutes into the date, he's like, let's get out of here. And I'm like,
Or a ward is a cafe while you're talking about it like that. Like it's a club.
yeah, I know, right?
and I'm just like,
Wow.
I'm just
Yeah, the audacity of some men.
And I'm
Most
just like,
men.
no.
Mm.
And then he's just like, he goes on to say that, मैं तो office जाता हूँ because I just want to fuck people's lives up. And I was like, why? Why would you do that?
Everyone's manager.
Yeah. It's like,
It's like, oh shit, you
He's
almost
like,
jumped up because-
I I only talk to my manager when I want to fight with fucking people. Okay, that's only when. And then he's like,
I was trying to show some random aggression.
and
Did you watch like Animal or something before you came over?
I haven't watched that movie yet.
You
I
shouldn't.
haven't, yeah.
It's so bad.
So at this point in time, I'm just like, I need to fucking go. I need to fucking go. I'm like, you know, I have an early morning tomorrow. Let's go. And he told me like a bunch of problematic things. He's like, I usually just go on dates, couple of dates, and then I just ghost girls. Like,
He's just
that's
overcompensating for
Yeah.
his lack of dates.
Yeah. And then and
Yeah.
his
But why would he tell you that? Like,
Because
why
he's
is
trying
that?
to
exactly, no,
he's trying to show off that
Ghost
he's
girls, like, is that the
He's
He's
impression?
trying
trying
to
to
show
show
he's
he's
the
a stud. No, he's trying to show he's a stud.
Yeah, he's
right?
I
trying to show that he
mean,
has.
if you tell me that, guess who's getting out of there in like the
Yeah.
next 5 seconds? Me.
Yeah,
Making
exactly.
me run.
Exactly.
Like, you're showing me who you are. Great.
And then after that, I'm just like, we need to go and dude, the bill comes and I pay the entire fucking
Good.
bill.
Why?
So which is I'm okay. I usually always go in 50-50 no matter what happens. Like even if the dude insists, like the 5-6 dates I've gone on in the last 3 years, I've always paid 50-50 except once when I really liked the guy and he was like, you can pay the second time. I was like, fine. Okay. And this guy just gives like, I take the bill, I pay, he doesn't make an offer. I paid the bill for dinner and then he's just like, what plans now do you? And I'm just like, no. And then as soon as I reach home, he sends me a message and he's like, I hope we can go on another date. I wonder what the report card is and whatever. And I'm like, hey,
Bad.
listen.
Fail.
Yeah,
Yeah.
usually I would just like ghost and I was like, hey, listen, I don't think I inherently get attracted to people who portray themselves to be
As
stars.
aggressive.
Yeah.
No, as
Yeah.
stars. So good luck for your new job as VP and I was just so put off.
Bad.
Mm.
Yes, the
Yeah.
market is bad. We've established that.
Yeah, honestly.
The
Yeah.
pool is bad.
It's tough out there.
It's
How
tough
long
out
ago was this?
This was a couple of months ago.
Mm.
Maybe
Yeah.
November of 24.
So I've been seeing, I don't know if you guys also have been seeing or if it's just my feed, that there's this, like you see a lot of random men or like right-wing Instagram, whatever,
Yeah.
put out content that like in the next 10 years only 50% of women are going to be married, 50% will be unmarried, this is bad for society, this, that. And they somehow make it look like it's, like what pisses me off is that they make it look like it's the girl's fault,
Yeah.
like the woman's
Mm,
fault,
yeah.
like they're unmarried. Like it's like the first time in history that women don't need men to
Yeah,
survive.
of
You don't
course.
need a marriage to, you know,
We're
survive and
independent,
push you.
yeah, we're
So when
independent
you
enough.
do get married to someone, you're going to do it out of sheer will and not out of any kind of necessity.
Yeah.
Mm.
So that onus also falls on like the other gender. It doesn't
Yeah.
fall on just the
Yeah.
woman.
Exactly.
And then
exactly.
why do they make it look like it's
I
like
mean,
whenever they look at single women in like their 30s, they make it look like it's one sad
it's like
thing,
hope she has a
some
problem.
hopeless thing, there's something wrong in her.
Yeah,
That
yeah.
is what pisses me off a lot.
I think what they don't
Yeah.
get is that why would I want to get with somebody who treats me poorly, disrespects me,
Yeah, they don't
doesn't give
understand.
me, you know, basic empathy. Even ask me a question that's like, how are you? How's your day? No, it's always about them.
Yeah.
Like,
Yeah.
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 What's
Yeah.
happening?
Yeah.
No, I think more. I think 50 years ago, or even like what 30 years ago, women weren't as much of a threat to
Yes,
society
society.
as they are today. I mean, look at America; it's the world's most powerful country, and they have never had an elected president. I mean, they would choose Donald Trump over women. I mean, that's how it is. Like because and
And they're a country that has taken away abortion.
yeah,
Yeah,
exactly.
They
Yeah.
legalized.
Yeah, so like, see,
Wow.
sexism exists across the world.
Yeah, it does.
But now, I think a lot of people who even portray themselves to be liberal and like, oh, you know, we believe in equality,
Yeah.
they are so threatened that, oh my god, today a woman does not need a man to stand beside
Yeah,
her.
you don't.
Right?
You really don't.
But and that's
We
threatening.
found our voice.
It's threatening to
Yeah.
women. Sometimes
threatening
it's
to
threatening.
women.
Dude, our mothers are scared that, oh my
Yeah.
god, look at how opinionated you are.
Yeah.
Who's
No
going
one's
to
gonna
marry
marry
you?
you.
That's a very
Yeah.
Indian mindset, right?
That
If you're very good in your job, if you're
Yeah.
earning a lot, if you're opinionated, if you have a lot of things to say,
Yeah.
if you're very educated, if
Yeah.
you have multiple degrees,
Mm.
you're just a bad.
I think our parents are still fine with education. I think
No,
it's the opinion.
it's good if you're educated, but let's say you have like a double PhD and the guy only has a graduate degree.
Yeah.
No one likes that.
Yeah, for
No.
sure.
Like no one likes the dynamic being subverted a little
Yeah.
bit. If you earn more than the guy.
Yeah.
if you, I don't know, if you know how to drive and the guy doesn't.
Yeah.
No one likes the dynamic.
Yeah,
so
for
much.
sure.
I mean that's fine.
No, but
They're
people don't
sure.
like the.
They don't like that.
They don't like the dynamic.
I mean, but
And
where does this hypocrisy go when a girl knows how to cook but the guy doesn't?
Yeah.
Exactly what
When
I
the
was
girl
thinking.
knows how to use the washing machine but the guy has no idea
Yeah.
you need to clean the
Yeah.
washing machine.
That is
Yeah.
understood,
Yeah.
right? Because
Yeah,
for so
domestic
long, chores have been.
and the girl knows where the tea powder is or whatever,
Yeah.
tea leaves
Yeah.
are. But the guy has zero clue where to
Yeah.
grab a napkin from.
A relative told my mom a couple of years ago that, oh, like, you know, why do women need to work? Women whose husbands have decent jobs, they don't work. Women whose husbands don't have a decent job need to work.
So I'll tell you where that stems from. In India, the idea of working, not in India now, I mean in the last century, but overall globally, like even more.
Yeah.
The idea of a working woman has always been that a working woman is a working class woman. It comes from the Industrial Revolution because that was the first time women were entering the workforce.
Yeah.
And
Yeah.
most of the women entering the workforce in the Industrial Revolution were low class women.
Of course.
Yeah.
The high society never got their hands dirty. They
Yeah.
never did any factory work.
Or
this,
they
that,
did like
nothing.
NGO, socialize.
No, they didn't do that also. They were just chilling at home. They were doing luncheons and fundraising, whatever.
Yeah.
Socialize.
That kind of stuff,
Yeah.
right? So it was always working class women who joined the industry, and then World War II ended, and these women did not go back home because they realized that okay, we can also bring money into the house.
Yeah.
But now we'll have to manage two things. Their husbands have come out, you know, out of the war. They're either traumatized or like physically disabled,
Yeah.
handicapped, whatever. So they're still running the house. So that notion of like the working woman being this low class woman whose husband is incapable is coming from that.
Yeah.
And it's seeped into our society so much that when you see a woman who's working, you automatically think either her closest male relative is not doing their job.
Yeah.
It's not
Either her
capable, yeah.
father is not providing
Yeah.
for them if she's young,
Yeah.
either her husband is not providing.
Yeah.
I think you guys have seen The Materialist. Have you seen
No,
that?
I haven't
You've seen it.
I love that movie.
Okay, basic.
Good
Can I
know
Can
it's-
I spoil it for you?
I know
was
that Dakota
excited.
Johnson.
Can I spoil it for
Yeah,
you?
yeah, for
So
sure.
there's Dakota Johnson. She's like a matchmaker, and there's Chris Evans. He's her ex-boyfriend who's broke.
He's so hot.
And then
So
there's
hot.
Pedro
Oh, the whole
Pascal.
cast is hot.
There's Pedro Pascal, who's this
Ooh.
very rich, suave millionaire, billionaire boy,
Yeah.
man.
They call him
And
the unicorn.
yeah, because
Yeah.
he's like rich.
Does he have a unicorn?
No.
Unicorn company.
No, he's just.
He has a lot more than that.
He has
He's
a
in,
lot of money.
Yeah.
He's good looking. He is
He's in private equity.
kind. He knows how to take you out
Oh
on
god.
dates.
I would love to date
He's
a
going to be
private
a
equity
founder.
trader.
Like,
They won't have
a
time
manager.
for you.
We just spoke about startups, link it here.
Nana.
yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Never mind. Yeah. So he's literally perfect. And then there's Chris Evans who has emotional issues and
Yeah.
like, he's broke and this
He's
and
broke
that.
and he's in
He
his
has all
late
of this.
30s.
Okay.
And she essentially kind of has to make a choice between going
Her
for this
soulmate.
perfectly crafted boy who's perfectly crafted on like you know
Yeah,
this
everything.
perfect
Dude, he
everything
checks every
versus-
box on every list that she's ever
Yeah,
made.
versus someone who she really has feelings.
Yeah.
And who does she choose in the end?
Yeah, okay, got it.
She
I-
chooses Chris Evans.
the the one with the
The one she has.
Yeah,
Yeah,
All
I
these
would.
poor, well,
I wouldn't do that. Yeah, I wouldn't do that.
Okay.
So now,
Okay.
coming to my point, there's this entire argument on the internet that, okay, there are two arguments going around, okay? So one is that materialist is like propaganda for recession because men don't have money to spend.
Oh my god.
And it's just a recession code.
Oh,
and,
shit.
and it's trying to convince you to like
Okay, hard relate.
it's trying to get you to like, you know, men who are not like billionaires and all that.
Okay.
And the other argument is that it's a very well crafted movie which is looking at how you can't force, no matter how hard you try to craft the perfect image, you can't
Yeah.
force a relationship.
You can't
Yeah,
force
no,
it.
that's
I
true.
think it's the second one, yeah,
Yeah.
for sure. You
So,
can't force a relationship.
You really can't, right? And I think
You really shouldn't.
it's not going to
yeah,
happen.
yeah.
I mean, no matter how hard you try. And that's why, and all of this is great, okay? And I was just thinking about it the other day. That this entire argument is brilliant, but these are white people. Like, step into
Yeah.
India and see arranged marriage.
Exactly.
Before an entire marriage.
Bro, the marriage
Not
is based
based
on
family.
on families, yeah.
Like that's not
on
him.
families, on
No,
status.
absolutely.
But I have also seen that work for people. So there's no real one answer to these things. Sometimes
Yeah.
people do get arranged marriage.
So that's what I said. I mean, that's what I meant when I said business transaction or business deal.
But I also feel like people who are not very choosy have these so-called happy marriages, right? Like
Maybe it works for people that aren't exposed to how the world works outside. Like imagine someone who's not dated.
yeah.
And if they go into this arranged setup,
Yeah.
it's very new to them, so they're
Yeah.
easy to mold.
Yeah.
A lot of things can work.
I think it can
Well-
work. I think any relationship will work if both the people are willing to make it work.
But it's not
So,
just both
you
people.
have
You
to
know, in
fight
India,
for
it's
each
both
other.
families. It's literally
So I mean,
A
but
lot of
at the
things-
end of the day, your relationship is coming down to you and that one person.
Yeah.
Right?
Agreed.
So if two people are willing to make it would work even in an arranged setup, because it's like at the end of the day, it doesn't matter how much you've dated, you've not dated. You kind of at some point may or may not have an idea of what you want or what you're
Yeah.
expecting from someone. And if that works out for you and if you're willing to make it work, I think it happened in some way or the other. But again, the entire concept of emotions, I think Materialist does it well. Like, because it's not, it tries to show that she's trying to like this person, but if she doesn't have feelings,
But
she
like,
doesn't have
yeah.
feelings.
Yeah.
Tell
really
me
doesn't.
about you guys. Like, would you go for a guy who have feelings versus a guy who checks all the boxes?
Feelings,
feelings.
for sure.
I definitely check all the boxes. I would fall in love with a private equity guy, guys. Like, if
If there's a private equity guy who wants to date Narika, comment.
So I look at love and relationships a little differently. So like I don't get turned on, like I will not get turned on with anyone who says that, oh, I just work to put food on the table or just to put money on the table. Like I want that dude to be super passionate about what he does
Yeah.
and be like motivated and ambitious. So like anyone who has issues with that, I mean I know it's an issue. I know I shouldn't be this person.
No, that's okay.
No, that's
But like
That's just your choice.
I mean,
yeah.
I get it. Like, you want his priority to do well.
To
Yeah.
do great in his
To
life.
do
Yeah.
great in life.
Which is-
Yeah,
If
it's
you
it's
have
like
like
a-
ambition, have a purpose.
Yeah. Yeah.
Which is great.
Yeah, and it's okay if he's like into the creatives or anything, but like he needs to be passionate about what he does.
So there is a new crush in town, right? I mean, I've been crushing about
Yeah.
him like all week, and I don't know. I think everyone knows at this point
Yeah.
that it's Zoran Mumbai.
Yeah,
And his marketing campaign.
and his political opinions.
I love a socialist man. Who doesn't love a socialist
Oh, and
man?
he has the cutest smile.
And
Yeah.
his
Oh,
mom
okay.
is Meera Nair.
Yeah. That is,
Oh,
we're already turned
That
on,
is
guys.
like Sone Pe Suhana.
Yeah.
It's like, wow. Also, just the idea of like a charismatic, young,
Yeah.
smart politician is
Yeah.
like out of a novel.
From New York.
Yeah.
Literally out of a Wattpad book.
Yeah.
And he met his girl,
On
his now
his
wife
on
on
Hinge.
Hinge.
Oh, I
So,
don't know.
He did.
About
he
3
said
years
that,
ago,
He said
yeah.
that on a video with Kanisaka. He was like, I met her on Hinge, and I was just like,
That is
Wow.
so
Cute.
cute.
Yeah.
So cute.
And they look
Straight
so
out of
good.
a rom-com.
they look really
Seriously.
good together.
Yeah, but he's so cute.
So I am convinced he's made for the female gaze.
Dude, he's
Oh,
like,
He's for the girls.
But his marketing campaign,
So good.
yeah, it was very
Like,
dude, he went to all of these like regional spots
Yeah.
and made like regional videos.
In
No,
their language.
seriously.
I saw
Yeah.
him
Language.
speaking in Bangla,
Yeah.
in Hindi,
Yeah.
in
In
Spanish,
Gujarati. He's
Gujarati.
good.
Yeah,
And
he
he's-
was really good.
bro, I feel like he's so relatable.
Yeah.
He's wearing a vintage Casio watch.
And you see one of the
He's
rings.
holding a cup in his hand and
Yeah.
Did you
drinking
see
out
one
of
of the rings he was wearing? It was one of those Nazarwali rings.
Oh,
No,
those.
the eye, the evil eye.
Evil eye ring.
As a ring.
No, and I also love that he has very clear thoughts. Like he's not diplomatic about things. Like they asked him a question about India and a specific Indian leader, and he was very point blank. That dude, I don't think this is
He
right.
is. He's kind of. I mean, he's clear in his thought, and he's also very clear in literally just putting it out.
Yeah.
He's not getting too worried. Okay, we're gonna walk to the last segment because we've had a day. Okay, walks as a first date.
Yes.
Yeah.
I'm not a dog. I don't need to be walked. I'm not doing it.
I mean, grab a coffee. go for a
No.
walk.
Why are you making me walk?
Because
No, hard work does not suit this one. Okay, apps you would never use if you wanted to date someone seriously.
Tinder.
Tinder, I thought you found somebody to date on that. app.
Yeah, I
Like
did. I
seriously,
did.
like long term.
But
I guess
I wasn't
Tinder.
looking for anything like serious.
Okay, the bio, the preference open to a long term relationship. No, looking for a long-term relationship, open to a short-term relationship.
I have no idea what the hell that means. Like seriously, like what are you trying to do? You're
Right?
looking. No, yeah.
It literally says
absolutely no.
looking for a long-term relationship, open to short.
Yeah.
No.
I mean, tell me what you want. Don't confuse me.
Yeah, if you
Are
want short term, just yeah.
just say that.
Yeah.
Okay. The bio that says I'm 6'1", if that matters.
No. No.
That's all you are probably.
Okay. Best representation you have seen of love and dating on movies, shows, books, anything, any media.
Oh.
I have one that I was watching this week.
Uh-huh.
I don't know if you guys have seen Survival of the Fittest. So it's this show on Netflix, which is basically an adaptation of a book with the same name.
Okay.
So it's this black woman in her late 30s,
Yeah.
and she's newly single.
Oh.
So it's super fun. She meets like this Italian guy towards the end of the first season,
Yeah.
and the second season just came out this year March. Super cool, love it.
Yeah.
Nice.
So many twists and turns. It's so
I think.
interesting.
Have you guys seen Past Lives by Celine Song? The same director who made The Materialist.
I have not.
I really like the movie.
Oh,
Nice.
I also really liked, very ironically, Meera Nayar's movie called Mississippi Masala. You guys should watch it.
Yeah.
Last question. Going back to your ex.
No.
Alika's like, don't look at me, bitch.
No comments.
No comments. And do you want to say bye? Come. You say bye and then we'll end this video. Oh, by the way, he has a girlfriend.
Oh, even he has a girlfriend.
He has a girlfriend.
Player.
He has a
Aw.
girlfriend. His girlfriend has a boyfriend as well.
Oh, she's a player. Oh.
Okay, we're done. Bye.
Bye.